Hi there, welcome back. In my previous section, I will show that how to custom admin login page is implement, but not completed the full functionality. I will cover it for Laravel Breeze authentication technique. So first of all, I just discuss about this Laravel Breeze topics and how does Laravel Breeze work. Because of that, we remember we have three dashboard. One will be admin, one will be instructor, and one will be user. So we need for three roles. But Laravel, how to handle multiple role based authentication. That's why it's very important to discuss about the Laravel Breeze. First we will back our welcome page. Here is our welcome page. Here we see login and register. But in login and register, this route we will be discussed, and we will jump to the VS Code, and that's and now here is our web.php, and look at that, no login route, but a login route is implemented is here auth.php. Here get registered, post register, get login. Actually login page is in here. We just move authenticated session controller, and this is authenticated session controller, and authentication session controller is most probably is here. Controller auth and authenticate session controller. So authenticate session controller, here auth.login page, here auth.login page, and this login page, we have that email, we have that password. This similar technique we have used, but before that, just welcome.php. I just close for a couple of file here. I just discuss in this session. We will discuss about the breeze. It's very important if you understand breeze properly. That easy to role based authentication will be probably more easy. So that's why I give I can take some times, so discuss about that is very important actually. So now here the auth.php, here the login, and another another is post route. One is get route, another is post route, and authenticate session controller, and it's store. Here is the store. Here is the store request authenticate, and request authenticate is coming from login request. Here is the login request. Here is the login request. This login request is comes from email validation and password validation. Okay, when input data is come, that's a request session generate. Depend on create a new session, and then intended route dashboard, route intended dashboard. So dashboard means friend, look at the dashboard, and definitely auth verified. This dashboard pages is protected route. In this protected guard is auth. So we see the browser, and dashboard is not to show just like that. Now this is our welcome page, and welcome page, we just dashboard. Look at that. Look at that is redirect to login. Because of that, it's auth guard protected. Okay. So our dashboard looks like similar when user login, and then he moves through the dashboard pages. But this is the route, dashboard, and redirect. So that's why we will work in here. We will work in here. We will make some logic. This logic like something just when user role equal to admin, we separated different admin dashboard. When user role is instructor, he will go to the route instructor dashboard, and user role is user, so then he goes to user dashboard. All this logic in here, all this logic uh, build build in here. Okay. Just move jump to our next section. Next section we will be just discuss about how does we make a logic here. So first of all, we need to create already user table is created, friend. Already user table is created. Just here the source user table. Here here user table is already created, but here has some modification. In the next section, next part, actually next part, we will create some field or modify some field. So let's well let's see for the next.